Wow, I cannot believe I'm doing this right now. It has been a long time since I've seen you guys. In the meantime, I really missed it. Wow. Anyways, hey, what's up you guys? It's Lily from Two Vlogging Girls. Okay, well, today is Christmas Day and so much has changed and everything. Anyways, so this video, I'm gonna do what I got in my FabFitFun box because for Christmas that was one of my gifts. So yeah, I'm just gonna slowly get back into this, I guess. I still cannot believe I'm doing this right now. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hey guys, it's Lily. Welcome back to our channel. And I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. So if you're watching this right now, I did decide to post it. Today's video, we are going to be doing what is in the FabFitFun winter box. So today is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everyone. I've never gotten one of these before, and I've seen ads for them all over the place. I'm gonna be honest, I did go through it already, and yeah, there is a lot in here. So let's get started. So first, the box just looks like this. It's really cute, actually. It just has like some ladies doing some stuff. I think when you first open it, it says like FabFitFun, and it says find your cozy. First thing, like when I did open it, I saw was this magazine. It basically has everything that you need to know about like all these products and everything. The first like big thing in here was a Mark & Graham color block throw, and this is in the color gray ivory. This is what it looks like. It was rolled up into like a ball, kind of. It has like fringe on the sides, and it's two-toned if you can't tell, but it's super soft, and it's like they had it rolled up really small because literally they filled this box from top to bottom. And okay, I want to make this clear. Every box can be different, like you can customize it to what you want. So I think mine had some other stuff that other people might not have gotten in theirs. The next thing we have are some over-the-knee socks. These are Richer Por Rihanna over-the-knee textured socks. I did not open these yet, so we can open these. Wow, these are super cute. I'm like really impressed by these already. And like it gives a tip in the magazine that you can, for extra warmth, wear the socks over leggings or tights with knee-high boots. These are super adorable. This is not in the magazine, so I'm assuming that this was like a customized item. They are 3 resistance bands. They're so pretty, and you can already see 2 of the colors right there. It comes with 3 of them. Blue, pink, and yellow. They're super cute and bright and colorful, and they're just, wow, I love them so much. And I love bright and colored stuff. Next we have some Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask for your hair. This is what it looks like. It's very like detailed and patterned and stuff. When you open it, this is what it looks like, and that's what it looks like. It is a hair mask. Ooh, that smells so good. And it looks super moisturizing. Next we have this. It is an H. Halston, I think, jewelry portfolio. It's a thing. Like, okay, when I first opened it, I thought it was like an iPad case. I was like, what? But when I opened it, it has like this felt piece in the middle, and you can keep all your necklaces and bracelets and just like all your jewelry and your earrings in here. It's actually really nifty, and I'm like, I would have never thought of this. This is so cute. This is what it looks on the outside. It's a really pretty like gold color. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. You have this felt piece right here. And then you can just hook all your necklaces. It's just super nifty. Next we have this. Like on the back it says the circle necklace is the perfect introduction piece for every woman. Explore all of Lee's sad doe eyes. Geometric, feminine, and colorful designs online, and it has like signature and stuff. This is like super cute. Just a nice, I guess, elegant and just simple circle necklace. The next thing we have here is a Tarte lipstick. the Lip Architect. It's a lipstick and liner. So this is what it looks like, and it's in the shade Cutie Pie. And when I open it up, it's a dual lip liner and lipstick, both sides. There's a liner, then the lipstick, and swatching it. It's a super pretty color. I am in love with this color so much. It's so pretty. Next we have an eyeshadow palette. It's called Be Your Selfie. This is what it looks like from the outside. And then this is what the palette looks like. I have not like swatched any of these or anything yet, but they like look really, really pretty. I'll just swatch like a few of them. This is what one looks like. Like they're very pretty. Next we have some black eye mask, like just eye mask. I think they're charcoal infused. Yeah, it says, is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with these activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. So this is what the box looks like. And then there's 5 of these in here. Next we have some coconut sugar Sea Whip body cream. The packaging is super cute. Yeah, if like you can tell like what I mean, it's just kind of like wet, but it smells super good. Next we have an hydration cream mask. I think this is just for your skin. This is what it looks like. I love the color of it, and that's the inside. Next we have some Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This is what the packaging looks like. And when you open it up, I've used this stuff before and it works wonders. Well, it's not open right now, but it's green and yeah, it's a great exfoliator. Next we have this anti-aging moisturizing hand mask. Oh, comes with 2 of them. Then we have this highlighting stick. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so this is cool. I just saw in the box that it comes with a sharpener for the pencil. This is so cute. Let's swatch it. Wow, that is really pretty. I hope you guys can see that. And I'm pretty sure that is everything in this box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't mind me. I'm probably a little rusty. It's been almost a year since I've done YouTube. Yeah. I don't even know if we're gonna post this yet. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below what your favorite item was in this box. So yeah, I guess this is it. Have a nice day. Bye. I don't know what I'm doing.